Are you alright being recorded, yeah?
Yeah.
I do content, I'll blur your plate and face and everything, yeah? Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. And today, I've got a Jixer in front of me and we're riding with a ped. It's going to be lit. Going to Rieju, just a quick little ride, innit? Fun, games, you know. Gotta love it. Oh, bro's taking it risky, overtaking. At least it's not the police, eh? That's all that matters. Yeah, I don't know which way we're going right now, I can't lie. Hey, so, some news. My partnership with Lightlock has come to a slight abrupt end, I won't lie. He's just put it on pause for now, so can't really do much about that, eh? This does mean I'm gonna have to wait to grow a bit more, grow the channel up a bit more before I can actually start to get another partnership, which does slightly suck, I'll admit, but you know, yeah, I'm gonna try to do a big push on content. Got a bit of news that's gonna arise soon. It's a big thing that's gonna affect the channel quite massively, and yeah, hopefully you should see it within a month or two, to be fair. Suzuki Jixer, eh? Fastest but one of the slimmest 125s. Yeah, this is more of a chill ride, nothing too magic, I guess, but and I hope it's not too dark right now because I've got an ND16 filter on, which is normally best in high sunlight, like when I'm looking at the sun, for example. But yeah. Woohoo! Gotta slow down a bit, I sped off a bit too much right there. Low key. Oi, oi, magical. Playing musical chairs with the bike a bit, I can't lie. Fucking hell. I want to try like learn to aura farm on this. I know that trend's well gone, but like hitting the quick. Wait, let me go into the straight first. Hitting the quick wah wah wah, you know. Oh, turn my music down. Don't want to do that. Mate, just bomb him at this point. Bosch services and that, yeah, get me, pal. No idea why I wanted to go down here, but you know. I don't know where this is taking me, bro. Oh my god, these roads are shit! Holy mother of Jesus! What are these back roads, bruv? They're not even like that fun, you get me? We just stop behind this Toyota. Like, what the fuck? Down there, what? What the fuck? Wait, hold up. Bruv, where are we going? Huh? Keep going straight, yeah? There is the cornering, sons. Come on in, man. I thought that was a Fed with that roof thing. Oh, there's horses there. Oh, whoopsies. I didn't want to.
Died on that corner there.
Huh?
Nearly died on that corner.
Oh yeah.
I'm still new to this shit. I only got the bike like a month ago.
Yeah.
I'm back down the loudest bike.
Oh yeah. I'm not too sure, but I don't think we could take this, right? No, buses only, buses only. yeah, this thing moves. Yeah, I'm currently just test riding the Jixer right now. And oh my days, this thing actually feels kind of nice. It's less aggressive than a Rieju. I'm like barely leant forward. Oh my days. Oh yeah, I see what he means by the power band though. Oh, it's so much easier to turn than mine as well. Like, this shit flies, bro. Oh, mate, I actually like this. That's not a kill switch. But
Fucking hell, that's light.
huh?
I went round the corner and they threw it under because it scared the shit out of me how light it was.
Yeah. The side stand's an arse as well. Yeah. I must say I was surprised about how like non-aggressive that is. Oh yeah, what a view guys, what a view. Yes, if you guys didn't know, that moped is Traction's. I'll put a link to his details right here. But yeah, nifty ped.